How to connect a Wii to a Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1. Using the Wii AV cable, standard connection. Step number 1. Locate the AV input on your Samsung TV. Look for the AV audio-video inputs on the back or side of your Samsung Smart TV. These ports are typically color-coded as red, white, and yellow. Step number 2. Connect the Wii AV cable. Plug the AV multi-out connector from the Wii AV cable into the back of the Wii console. Connect the red, white, and yellow connectors on the other end of the cable to the corresponding AV inputs on your TV. Yellow, video; red, audio, right; and white, audio, left. Step number 3. Select the AV input on your TV. Turn on the Wii and the TV. Using TV remote, press the source or input button and select the AV input, often labeled AV, composite, or similar, to see the Wii display on your screen. Method number 2. Using an HDMI adapter for Wii. If your Samsung Smart TV does not have AV inputs, you can use a Wii to HDMI adapter to connect the Wii via HDMI. Step number 1. Purchase a Wii to HDMI adapter. Obtain a Wii to HDMI adapter available from online retailers or electronics store. Step number 2. Connect the adapter to the Wii. Plug the adapter into the AV multi-out port on the back of the Wii. Step number 3. Connect an HDMI cable. Connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 4. Select the HDMI input on your TV. Turn on both the Wii and the TV. Use your TV remote to press the source or input button, then select the HDMI input you connected to. Method number 3. Using component cables, higher quality connection. If your Wii has component cables and your Samsung TV has component inputs, red, green, blue, and audio, you can connect them for improved video quality over standard AV. Step number 1. Connect the Wii component cable. Plug the component cable into Wii's AV multi-out port. Connect the color-coded ends to the matching component ports on your TV. Step number 2. Select the component input on your TV. Turn on the Wii and use the remote to switch the input to components. You should now see the Wii display on your screen.